Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment to see if the fireworks poppets, which are the little snap pops that you throw on the ground and it makes a popping noise, will they actually ignite gasoline? Now, you can get two packages of these for about $1. So you take them, they've got chemicals inside that when impacted will make a pop sound. And there is a spark of flame when they pop. But what will happen if we pour gasoline on the table and try to ignite the gasoline with the poppets? Just pour it on there. This is regular unleaded gas. It should be enough. Let it sit for a moment so the fumes get into the air. And let's check it out and see what happens. Now, why does this happen? Well, I think that this happens because even though there's a flash of fire when the poppets are dropped, I believe the flash is so quick. I mean, it's like 1/1000th of a second and it's over. I think the flash is so quick that it doesn't have time to ignite the gasoline. I mean, no matter how many I throw. Now, I wonder if I threw a whole handful, maybe that would do it. Nope. Still nothing. We'll try the rest of the package. Nope. It just pops and the little pieces just blow away in the wind. That one's done. That one's done. Yep, they're all used. So, poppets or snap pops, whatever you call them, will not ignite gasoline. The flash is just too fast. Like I said, it's like 1/1000th of a second and the flash is over, which is too fast for the gasoline and gasoline fumes to ignite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.